A plant grows at a rate of 2 inches per week. After 4 weeks, the plant is 10 inches tall. Write an equation for the plant's height y after x weeks. And I have a little hint here for us. We're going to use point-slope form at some point. So I have the equation just written out here for us. Okay, what can we get from this? Well, we're given some numbers. A plant grows at a rate of 2 inches per week, right? So that rate tells us that this is going to be our slope. Our m value here is 2 inches per week. The next key information here is they tell us is that after 4 weeks, the plant is 10 inches tall. So after 4 weeks, the plant is 10 inches tall. Well, that gives us a coordinate point. We have our x comma y. Remember, x is the number of weeks, so at 4 weeks here, and y is the height of the plant, 10 inches. So we can represent the height of the plant at a certain time period, number of weeks, by a point here. So now we can use our point-slope formula here to get an equation for this plant growing. All right, so we have y minus y1. We only have 1 point here, so that's going to be 10. That's y1. The 10 value, y, is equal to m2 times x minus x1. There's the 4 right there. Now we want to simplify this equation right here. So I'm going to leave my y minus 10 here on the left. Let's distribute the 2 to both parts. 2 times x is a 2x minus 2 times 4, which is an 8. I then want to add a 10 to both sides of the equation. Y is now by itself because these 10s cancel. 2x comes down because we can only add 2 like terms. Nothing there for the 2x. And then minus 8 plus 10 is a positive 2. And so the equation of the plant growth rate is y equals 2x plus 2. Now, how can we look at this equation back to our problem? Slope, right? The rate at which plants growing is 2 inches per week, right? And at 0 weeks, when we first started measuring this plant, when x was 0, it had a height of 2 inches, right? Plug 0 in for x, that becomes 0, and height of 2. That's good to know. Just a little fun fact. But either way, our equation for this plant's height growth as weeks go on is y equals 2x plus 2.